Meet the GoGun Six Bow in the prototyping phase, a revolutionary weapon combining crossbow precision with airgun rapid fire. Born out of the need for a versatile weapon that adheres to regional regulations, it's a hybrid design showcasing remarkable specs. This innovation loads and fires 6 arrows simultaneously, ensuring its readiness for any situation. Its pump-action mechanism enables rapid arrow firing with exceptional accuracy, even at long distances. With a velocity of up to 440 FPS, it delivers a formidable 134 foot-pounds of force, ideal for piercing obstacles. Projectiles weigh 324 grams, reaching up to 189 joules of energy. The JPX6 isn't a firearm, but it's a formidable pepper spray dispenser. It propels high-grade pepper resin at an impressive speed of 590 feet per second, temporarily blinding and incapacitating assailants effectively. Notably, it remains effective even when confronting individuals wearing eyewear or masks. With a remarkable range of 23 feet, it can mist multiple attackers simultaneously, making it an invaluable tool for self-defense. Its utility extends to deterring not only human threats, but also animals. Elevate your personal safety with the JPX6, available for $480. The Umarex AirSaber Elite X2 is a game changer in the world of air archery rifles, offering a double-barrel PCP design that redefines big game hunting. With 2 barrels, it allows for rapid follow-up shots with exceptional accuracy and power, a feature previously unseen in PCP arrow guns. The rifle boasts a textured all-weather stock, ensuring a firm and consistent grip. It includes an onboard pressure gauge for quick fill pressure checks and a Picatinny scope rail for attaching your favorite optics. With a 240cc air tank and a 4000 psi fill pressure, it delivers up to 25 shots with lethal velocity for big game hunting. In fact, the first 5 shots after topping off hit with devastating impact, achieving over 160 FPS and over 450 FPS. The 3 Picatinny rails on the forearm open the door to various accessories like lights, lasers, foregrips, and quivers. At $500, the Umarex AirSaber Elite X2 is a must-have for hunting enthusiasts. The EMG-01B from Arc Flash Labs is a remarkable coil gun featuring 8 stages and nanosecond precise control, capable of firing up to 8 rounds per second at speeds exceeding 45 meters per second. This coil gun is powered by a lithium-ion polymer battery, providing a whopping 2,000 watts of power to 10 capacitors, allowing for rapid charging in under 1/10 of a second. This innovative setup sets it apart from many hobbyist coil guns, enabling a firing rate of up to 480 rounds per minute. The EMG-01B offers a high-tech approach to launching projectiles and is available for $1,350. The Marksman RS-X7 is not your ordinary slingshot. It's designed for bigger game, bridging the gap between slingshots and crossbows. This remarkable tool boasts a built-in magazine capable of holding up to 40 rounds of 8mm ball bearings or a single crossbow bolt. Its front handle is adjustable, allowing you to fine-tune the power level to suit your needs. Additionally, the rear handle includes an 11mm mounting rail, perfect for installing a scope with a laser sight or a tactical flashlight. Durability is a key feature, with a steel cable attached to 8 sets of high-tension rubber bands. What's more, it can shoot both steel and rubber rounds, offering versatility in your shooting experience. Price? $300. The WT Mini Striker pistol is a game changer in the world of crossbows. It stands as the fastest and most potent pistol crossbow on the market, breaking boundaries with its narrow limb system. This innovation results in an impressive firing speed of up to 330 FPS, a feat previously unheard of in pistol crossbows. Despite its power, it's incredibly lightweight at just 2.46 pounds and compact, measuring only 5 inches in width when cocked. What's more, the integrated crank mechanism is nearly silent, and requires only 40 pounds of force to pull. This pistol can shoot 7-inch practice arrows and 11-inch broadhead Morris bolts, making it a versatile and compelling choice for enthusiasts. Priced at $300, it combines power and maneuverability like never before. The Pocket Shot offers a unique twist on the traditional slingshot. Its circular design allows for rapid firing of projectiles, up to 3 times faster than a standard slingshot, reaching speeds of up to 350 feet per second. The latex pouch automatically centers your ammo, making it ready to fire instantly. Despite its incredible power, this compact slingshot collapses to just over an inch tall, fitting in your pocket. It comes with 100 5x16-inch steel balls, but can fire various types of ammo, perfect for target practice or hunting small game. Get yours for $140. Imagine a laser pointer but 40,000 times stronger at 200 watts. That's the Laser Bazooka, a creation that's not for the faint-hearted. Built from materials salvaged from broken DLP projectors and a stack of lithium batteries, it's not something you'd casually build at home. This laser bazooka is fully capable of starting fires and would instantly wreck unprotected eyes. According to its creator, staring at this beam is 33 million times worse than looking at the sun. It's possibly the most powerful portable laser ever built by a hobbyist. While its power is awe-inspiring, it's important to note the immense responsibility that comes with handling such a device. The XOSlingshot is a revolutionary take on the classic slingshot, designed for accessibility through 3D printing, even on smaller printers. It introduces a lever repeating mechanism, complete with a 6-arrow magazine and an integrated laser sight. What truly sets it apart is the ingenious 45-degree rail system, ensuring that the rubber band and rope never touch the arrow wings during a shot. This innovation, coupled with its compact design, makes it a must-have for enthusiasts and DIYers alike. The best part? You can access the 3D files to print your own XOSlingshot for just $15. Adderini redefines compact 3D printed weaponry with its repeating slingbow/crossbow pistol. Featuring an integrated magazine capable of holding 6 arrows, this pistol is versatile, powerful, and customizable. Powered by TheraBand gold rubber, it offers an ergonomic grip and a highly efficient cocking lever with a 4x lever effect. It can be manually loaded, or, for added convenience, automatically loaded with additional ammo clips. The inclusion of 2 Picatinny rails opens the door for accessories like laser sights, flashlights, and more. You can obtain the 3D files to print your own Adderini for just $15, making it a standout choice for DIY enthusiasts. The SpyraThree is not your typical water blaster. With an auto-reload feature and a digital display for tank and battery status, it takes water fights to the next level. It offers 3 play styles, including open mode for freestyle, burst mode for rapid fire, and league mode for competitive play. It boasts pinpoint accuracy at up to 10 meters and even reaches 15 meters with the power shot. Reloading is a breeze. Just dip the front into water and pump. No need for extended brakes. Upgrade your water battles with the SpyraThree for $180. The Ravin R500 crossbow is a groundbreaking marvel, combining compactness with unprecedented performance. Using the hex coil cam system, it achieves arrow speeds of 500 FPS with a staggering 220 foot-pounds of energy. This advanced power plant allows full 360-degree cam rotation, delivering unmatched power and precision in a mere 3.6-inch axle-to-axle design when cocked. The silent VersaDrive cocking system reduces the draw weight to just 17 pounds, making cocking and decocking effortless. It incorporates an internal clutch to prevent overcocking and offers flexibility during the process. Weighing 8.4 pounds, it's fully assembled and pre-tuned with an advanced trigger system, automatic safety, and anti-dry fire tech. You can get one with a price of $3,125.